Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a Legend of the Five Rings Second City Dragon Clan starter deck. This is put out by AEG and is obviously for Legend of the Five Rings. Pretty fancy. As always, they have good art on these, so I dig these quite a bit. This originally went for $13.99, AEG number 15901. Alright, let's get right into it and see what we got here. Whoa. These are slippery. Alright, as usual, we've got red and black cards that are slightly shuffled now. And they are a mixture, so my poor shuffling ability there probably didn't hurt it too much. We do have a little pamphlet here. Let's unfold this and see what it looks like. Alright, it's just a checklist and rules clarification down here. And a little flavor text. No actual directions, so this is just an expansion. This is not a starter. If it is a starter, it's a poor one because there's no instruction book. So yeah, it says on the back of the box, the Dragon's Breath Castle, the Empire's expansion into the lands formerly known as the Ivory Kingdoms continues into the 2 decades since the defeat of the dark goddess called the Destroyer. As a kinsman of the Divine Empress, the dragon are keen to ensure her will and authority are executed without hesitation or reservation and maintain a healthy presence within the Second City. A presence well supplied by the foundries of the Tamori family within the Empire. Yep, it doesn't give you any real warning on here that this is not a starter deck. It looks like a standard starter, but there's no rule book. So it's probably enough cards to actually play, but it would be nice if there was a rule book. So let's see what we got here. We got a green card, Blade of Champions. Got a black card, Harsh Choices, the green Superior Reach, a black Fukuzo, a green Cursity, black Bamboo Harvesters, green Unstoppable Power, black Border Keep, green Outer Walls, black Corrupt Officials, Route, black Permanent Encampment, green The Wrath of Osano Wu, black Temple to Shinsei, green The Wrath of Osano Wu, black Archery Range, green Inspire Fear, a black Tranquil Garden, green Hitsu Do, black Temple of Hotai, a green Falling Leaf Strike, a black Temple of Hotai, a green Convenient Disaster, a black Remote Village, green Chasing Osano Wo, black Remote Village, green Enough Talk, black Diamond Mine, green Impromptu Duel, black Border Village, green Steel on Steel, black Gold Mine, green Steel on Steel, black Gold Mine, green Spirit of the Duelist, black Gold Mine, green Tireless Efforts, black Quagmire, green Interference, black Miyamoto Kalin, green Volcano Tattoo, a black Kitsuki Taco, pretty sure I pronounced that wrong, green Spirit of the Monk, black Kitsuki Berry, green Spirit of the Monk, black Kitsuki Berry, I don't know, green Engulfing Flames, black Miyamoto Ikuzo, something like that, a green Sing Remnants, black Miyamoto Ikazu, I don't know, another one of that guy, green Fubatsu Plate, black Togasai Taro, green Fubatsu Plate, black Togashi Taro, green Satsushi's Dual War Fans. That sounds like a cool band name. Black Togashi Shirori, green Essence of Undeath. That sounds like a cool album name, like some heavy metal or something. Black Togashi Gato, green Intervening Spirit, green Bow of Water, black Tomari Mashiko, green Bow of Water, black Tomari Masako again, green Control Your Destiny, black Tamari Kuroko, green Stormless Fury, black Tamari Wotan, green The Earth Flows, black Tamari Wotan again, green The Earth Flows, black Togashi Miyu, M-E-I-Y-U, can't pronounce that one, green Drawing to On the Mountain, probably against the rules these days, black Togashi Mayu again, green Flight of Doves, a black Togashi Hizumi, green Ring of Water, black Miyamoto Izuno, a green Ring of Fire, a black Miyamoto Izuno again, a green Ring of Air, a black Tamari Yayu, Y-A-Y-U, a black Tamari Shosei, S-H-O-S-E-I, a black Tamari Ryua, and finally a green Dragon's Breath Castle. So pretty interesting assortment of cards here. Again, this might be able to be used as a starter deck. I haven't played Legend of the Five Rings that much and haven't played it in a really long time. But there's no rule book. So be aware of that. Be aware that you're going to need either a starter deck that has a rule book or find a copy online or find one somewhere else for this to be even remotely useful to you. Because without a rule book, kind of useless. They're just random stack of cards. And these did cost 14 bucks when they came out, so I probably would have been kind of annoyed. These came out in 2011. You'd think they'd know better. AEG usually puts out very good product, and the card quality is fantastic. The art is fantastic. I have no issue with any of that. What I have issue with is the lack of some kind of rule book to let a new player start. This is not something a new player can pick up and play with without having something additional, which would be a rule book. So that's my main complaint. Otherwise, it's standard high quality AEG product. L5R was always very popular in my area, and yeah, I'm impressed with the quality every time. The art's always good. The colors are vibrant. The quality is there. So much like Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Towers in Time, and half a dozen other games, there needs to be a rule book here, and there isn't. So that's my complaint, but that's what's inside the box. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.